Iran is facing mounting unrest as protests continue to simmer across the country, driven by political dissatisfaction, economic hardship, and calls for reform. In a rare and forceful address, Iran's supreme leader emphasized that the government would not yield to pressure from demonstrators or from external actors, including the United States. He framed the protests as part of a broader campaign of foreign interference, warning that Iran will defend its sovereignty and national interests at all costs. The demonstrations have grown in scale over recent weeks, with citizens taking to the streets in major cities to express frustration over rising living costs, government policies, and restrictions on civil liberties. Security forces have been deployed to contain the unrest, with reports of clashes in several areas. Despite the heavy-handed response, protesters continue to demand accountability and reforms, signaling the depth of public anger. Tensions have escalated further due to rhetoric from the United States, which has issued warnings to Tehran over its handling of the protests and threatened potential sanctions. Iranian authorities have condemned these statements as interference in internal affairs, accusing Washington of attempting to destabilize the country and weaken its government. The supreme leader's comments underscored Iran's determination to resist such pressure, portraying the situation as both a domestic challenge and a geopolitical struggle. Analysts note that this standoff reflects broader tensions in the region, with Iran asserting its independence while facing scrutiny from Western powers. The protests, while centered on domestic grievances, are being closely watched internationally for their potential impact on regional stability and US-Iran relations. As the situation unfolds, the streets of Tehran and other major cities remain tense, with citizens and authorities navigating a delicate balance between dissent and control. For now, the supreme leader's message is clear: Iran will not compromise under pressure, and both domestic and foreign actors are being warned of the consequences of pushing the nation beyond its limits. The coming days are likely to be critical in determining whether the unrest escalates further or if the government can stabilize the situation without wider confrontation.
اینجا دیدن یه فرصتی است ازش خواستن استفاده کنن. البته مسئولین ما در میدان بودن و خواهند بود.